How to log into Netflix account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. You can easily log into your Netflix account using the Netflix app, or also you can use the web version of Netflix. For this video, I will be using the web version. So go ahead and open any of the browser. Here we go. Now over here you'll find the search box. Type in Netflix login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one, Netflix login. Open it. Now from this page, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is type in your Netflix account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your email or phone number linked with your Netflix account. Then you can type in the password, or also you can use a sign-in code to log into your account. If you want to do so, go ahead and click on this option of use a sign-in code. With that, you'll receive a code. You can type in that code, and with that, you'll be logged into your Netflix account. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option of forget password to recover it. If you want to remember your login info, check in for this option of Remember Me. After you fill this, click on Sign In, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. If you want to sign up for a Netflix account, you can go ahead and click on this option of Sign Up Now and create your Netflix account. Well, that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to log into Netflix account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.